Hello, welcome. Most creators are still uploading the old way in 2026, when YouTube has quietly rolled out new updates that could completely change your YouTube growth in 2026. Welcome, my name is Debbie James. Today I'll be showing you a few powerful YouTube updates that are essential for your YouTube channel, no matter the niche you currently run. A lot of people don't know about these updates, some of which are something around YouTube guidelines. Another is centered around YouTube thumbnails, how to set this up, how to choose and push out different ones, and how to set up and run the test, both for your titles and your thumbnail. I'll be doing a demonstration of a few of these in this video, so you don't want to miss some around 5, 6, and 7. These settings could actually improve your click-through rates. You don't want to spend so much time creating videos and at the end of the day, they flop, because many people do not know about these settings even on their YouTube dashboard. A lot of creators do not know about these YouTube settings, how to set them on, how to set them up, how to turn them on, where to locate them. Doing all of this could actually help your videos and improve your audience experience immediately. So please stay to the end, because the final parts of this video affect monetization and discoverability for your YouTube channel. A lot of these new updates I'll be sharing today will benefit you greatly on your YouTube journey. When applied, you will definitely see positive results that you will be happy and proud of. As a creator on YouTube, you constantly need to stay updated so you do not get left behind in this YouTube space, because YouTube quickly updates things regularly. We're going to be talking about thumbnails. Your thumbnail is very important when publishing or putting out your videos out there to your audience, whether it's your existing audience or potential audience that will likely see your video, someone who's never seen your content before. Your thumbnail gives people better understanding about what they're about to see, what they will be expecting, and what they hope to get when they click your video. It gives them a summary, or should I say, it gives them a better outlook about the world they're about to step into based on your niche or the content that you would be sharing on your channel. Now, YouTube has given small creators, big creators, every creator on YouTube the access and the opportunity to do a thumbnail testing. You have 3 slots to try 3 different thumbnails. There is a part where you can try different thumbnails according to the idea that you have. You may have different thumbnail ideas previously, with only one chance to put out one thumbnail before your audience. But now YouTube has given you the opportunity to show 3 different thumbnails to different audiences. Now, what this does is YouTube will now run a test of those 3 different thumbnails with your existing audience and before audience that has never seen or experienced your content before. YouTube will run a test and determine the one that audience clicked on the most. That will be the final winner when the testing finishes its course. This helps you as a creator to have better understanding of what is working and what you can improve in your thumbnail creation for whatever video you might be producing next. There is also the side where you can also do your title testing. There are 3 sides, 3 chances, 3 places on the dashboard where you can do this as well. You can explore different ideas, 3 ideas for your title for your video. Like your thumbnails there will be a test run on which your audience picked and clicked on the most. After the test finishes running, then there will be a winner that you can keep on that video. There is also the option where you can just leave one thumbnail just as it is and run 3 titles on your channel. You can find this feature on your YouTube dashboard. On next scene, I'll show you step by step how you can actually get this, how you can do it, activate it, use it, so you can push your channel further in front of new audiences, because YouTube would be testing, and for them to test, they would need to push this in front of new people that have not seen your content before and your existing audience that have subscribed to your channel or watched your video before, even if they've not yet come around to subscribing to your YouTube channel. Then there is another good news with thumbnails. There were times when I would create thumbnails and they would be so sharp, so crisp, with the very high quality definition picture, so that when the thumbnail might appear before a large screen, a TV screen, the thumbnail would shine and the colors would pop. But the problem with these was whenever I would try to upload this in YouTube Studio whilst uploading a video, it would tell me that the file exceeded 2 MB. Hence, that file could not be used for the purpose of uploading the thumbnail. The high definition thumbnail could not be used because the megabytes were too high. So I would always have to go back to Canva to reduce the megabytes so that I could upload the thumbnail onto YouTube. But in doing so, the high definition, the colors, the beauty, and everything that made that thumbnail stand out would have reduced. The quality, as I would say, yes, the quality of the thumbnail would have gone down tremendously, because I would now have to reduce the megabytes of that thumbnail. So with the new updates, YouTube has now increased your ability to upload YouTube thumbnails from 2 MB to 50 MB. So that limitation of being stuck with thumbnails around 2 megabyte quality thumbnails has now been taken out of the way. And now you have room to put in higher quality thumbnails that the colors will pop. And also, they would be crisp. They would be clean and beautiful in front of the TV screen of your audience, giving a sharp and high definition outcome and outlook to those that will be presented with your thumbnail. Every time your thumbnail and video appears before a potential audience that has never seen your video before, or your existing audience on YouTube. There is a part of community guidelines. Community guidelines are one of the new things that YouTube has put on your dashboard in YouTube Studio. So now creators can now welcome newcomers, new viewers into their community. On these guidelines, first, you would welcome them, tell them, remind them that this is a community where there is love and respect for everyone who visits your page. Letting them know that when they decide to comment, if they decide to comment, they should keep their comment respectful and not bully anyone who is in the group. Encouraging them to keep comments respectful whilst dropping their thoughts on issues or questions in the comment section. This feature can be activated in your YouTube studio. On the next video, you'll see where I show you how to do this step by step. Very easy. Tailor your welcome speech and guidelines in line with YouTube guidelines. There's another thing that some creators struggle with, which is toxic comments within the community. Let's say you do a video and then some people push out toxic comments to people in your community, people watching your videos, commenting on your videos. Maybe they commented and said something and then someone goes on to insult them or to bully them or to say something toxic that may affect them psychologically, emotionally, or mentally. Nobody comes to your channel to take away such baggage. They visited your channel to gain something useful that will be of great value to them. And they want to leave your channel feeling happy, fulfilled, knowing that they have gotten the answer to that question that has been bugging them. Or they've left your channel in a better way than when they visited your channel. And they would always want to come back to your channel again. As a creator, yes, you can stop toxic comments from landing on the page of your comment section on YouTube. You heard me very right. Just head on to your YouTube studio dashboard and go to the section where it shows you where you can filter words that are toxic, words that can be emotionally stressing, mentally stressing, emotionally draining to your audience. Swear words, toxic words, abusive words, and other words that might be unpleasant to your audience. Words that you will not tolerate. Words that you do not like personally. Put yourself in the shoes of those that will be watching your content. Words that you don't like, put them there and then filter them. I will not put down the words that I used to avoid some people bypassing that. YouTube is a beautiful place where you come to share your talents and make content that would make people happy. But there are people that would still want to push out toxicity to you or to the people in your community. The best thing for you to do is to protect the people in your circle. Protect yourself as a creator. Protect the audience that watches your content. So don't let negativity stop your consistency here on YouTube. Be strong. Be tough. Know the settings. Know the rules. And protect yourself and your audience. YouTube has already given you all the tools that you need to stay safe on these YouTube streets. So protect your audience and protect yourself. There is another one, the YouTube automation thumbnail creation. On your studio dashboard, there is a place where you can actually create thumbnails using this feature on YouTube. I created a particular thumbnail citing a kind of topic that I wanted the system to create for me. I didn't tell it to write the script, no, don't get me wrong. What I just did was I prompted it with this type of topic. What type of thumbnail would be appropriate for this topic? With that tool present in your studio, can create good thumbnails that are brief, straight to the point, and sharp, attention-grabbing, and crispy. That would quickly send the message across to whoever might be watching your content to give them better understanding of what they're about to step into. You can see this feature and locate it here somewhere on your dashboard in YouTube Studio. Thank you so much for watching these videos. I hope you gained a lot from these videos. I have somewhere to run to. I would have expanded more on other aspects of this content creation journey, but I have a meeting next and I have sort of run out of time creating this video. Till I come your way again next time, my name is Debbie James and this is Content Creator Lab. Thank you so much for watching. If you've got any questions, drop them down below and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching and bye for now.